Email rules and regulations you must follow. Despite the flexibility that email marketing can provide, it is still important for you as a marketing specialist or business owner to comply with certain digital and data protection regulations, while also carrying out practices that seek to maximize the comfort of your subscribers and customers. GDPR. The GDPR stands for the General Data Protection Regulation. It applies to the members of the European Union, EU, and the European Economic Area, EEA. It was finalized in 2016 and brought into effect in 2018. The GDPR mainly seeks to ensure data protection and privacy, and is applicable to businesses and brands that work in the member nations of the EU, or even those that sell their services to people who live in such nations, especially when data transfer is involved. The GDPR is in place so that you can provide your customers a choice and option when it comes to sharing their data and how you deal with that data. CAN-SPAM. The CAN-SPAM Act is the Controlling the Assault of Non-Solicited Pornography and Marketing Act. This act establishes certain standards and regulations that can apply to businesses that serve those who reside in the United States and tend to send out commercial emails on a regular basis. This act has been in force since 2003 and is enforced by the Federal Trade Commission, FTC, and was brought about due to the increasing number of complaints about spam emails and their contents. ACMA. The ACMA is the Australian Communications and Media Authority. They are responsible for enforcing the Spam Act of 2003, which seeks to regulate commercial emails or other such messages and their content. CASL. The CASL is the Canadian anti-spam law and legislation that has been in place in the country since 2014. It seeks to protect consumers and businesses from any kind of misuse of their data and technology, and includes regulations about spam. Avoiding spam filters. Even when you comply with all the legal rules and regulations, your email might still go into the spam folder due to certain filters that might be in place. This can then affect your leads, conversion rate, analytics, and measurements. To do this, therefore, you will need to follow some of the following practices and rules so that your emails land in the right folder. Ask your subscribers to whitelist you. That is, add your address to their approved address list. Ensure that you provide accuracy in your subject lines and content. Use verified domains to send out your emails. Do not use detectable words or formatting, such as excessively sales-related language, spam words, and too many punctuation marks at once. Provide your details in the email. Provide options to unsubscribe.